Hello and welcome back. GovDoc News, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents. Back at it again with a Supreme Court order from October 2nd, 2025 in the case Nome v. National TPS Alliance. Back with another update on a case that we've already talked about. This case has to do with the removal of temporary protected status for Venezuelan nationals living in the United States. TPS is a program that allows people from certain countries facing dangerous conditions to stay in the U.S. legally, work, and avoid deportation for a set period of time. From 2021 to 2025, Venezuelans were granted these protections, with the latest extension set to last until October 2026. This is where we get to the conflict. The government wants to and attempted to end the temporary protected status for Venezuelans in April 2025, not October 2026. So they went to the courts as this was challenged. The first video we did was talking about the preliminary order by the district court that said government actions were illegal and were stopped while the case played out in the courts. This is where the Supreme Court stepped in the first time and said, no, we are going to remove that order and the government can do what it wants while the case plays out. Now we have an official ruling from the same district court. And they ruled that the government, more specifically the Secretary of Homeland Security, was not lawful in removing TPS protections for these people. And the Supreme Court has stepped in again and said, no, that's not going to work here either. We are going to allow the removal of protections while the case goes through the Circuit Court and possibly the Supreme Court, basically goes through the appeals process. So for now, the roughly 300,000 Venezuelans with temporary protected status could see that removed and face deportation. All right, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you next time.